In this video, I will show you how to change negative numbers to positive in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we can see we have this data numbers and this number are in negative. So to make in positive using formula, so type this formula equal sign ABS, this one. So select it. Now select this cell. Now closing bracket, press enter. Now apply this formula to all. So drag and drop like this. Now select it, right click on it and copy, paste here. Now right click and delete. And paste as value. So if you delete it, so it will not reflect any reaction to these numbers. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.